Hey everybody, this is Whale Hater. We're doing Packet Tracer 2315. This is for CCNA course number 3. We're going to be configuring the MLS multi-layer switch here. It's a layer 2 and layer 3 device. I'm going to be doing some inter-VLAN routing. Now just to start this one off, I want to make note of this note right here. Make sure that the switches have been erased and that no startup configurations. If you are unsure, contact your instructor. I'm thinking that they're talking about not this packet tracer, but rather if you're going to be using some other type of router, or even if you're going to be using routers in class. Don't erase these. They've got all the configurations that you need for it. Like just doing a show run here, you'll notice that you got fasting. It's in trunk mode. This one is. These are all set to switch mode access, which is important. It's got its default gateway all ready to go. And I don't think they're talking about these switches, so don't worry about that. All right, configure layer 3 switching. So right here, we're going to pull up MLS, the multi-layer switch here. Configure T. And let's see, configure G02 as a routed port and assign an IP address according to their addressing table. Well, actually, they've got it all laid out for you right here. It's not that hard. In fact, I was questioning whether to making this video or not. It's pretty simple, straightforward. They give you most of the commands you need. No switch port, you're going to turn it into a routed port by doing that. It's no longer a switch port, it is now a route port. IP address, you can just copy paste this command if you want. Save yourself some typing. Enter. Verify connectivity to the cloud by pinging this address, issuing this command. You'll have to see that since we're in configuration mode, you'll have to get that do command. Oops. Enter. Success. We are there. Okay, next. Add VLANs to MLS according to the table below. Okay. Okay, we're back to the global config mode. Let's give ourselves some VLANs now. VLAN 10, name, staff. Faculty, enter. Okay, those are done. Next, configure and activate the SVI interfaces for VLANs 10, 20, 30, and 99 according to the addressing table. The configuration for VLAN 10 is shown below. Interface. This is SVIs. To make an SVI, you have to put interface VLAN 10. So it's changed up already. Just going to copy paste that. Enter, and then give the no shutdown command. 1, 2, 3, VLAN 20. Now in the addressing table, they're only separated by the third octet right here. So 10, 20, 30, 99 are representative of 10, 20, 30, and 99 VLANs. All the subnet masks are the same, so pretty straightforward. So we are on VLAN 20 now. Triple up arrow, going over to this, change that, enter. No shutdown. 1, 2, 3. VLAN 30, 2, 3. Okay. That's done. Next, use the show IP route command. Are there any active routes? ICMP redirect cache is empty. Okay, so no, there are not any active routes at the moment. Why is that? Okay, so default setting for layer 3 switches. So it's layer 2 and layer 3 device. So for a layer 3 switch, the default setting is to not forward IP routed traffic, IPv4. So to turn that on, the default switch is off, or the default setting for the switch is off. To turn it on, you have to give that IP routing command. IP routing. Enter. Now it'll start to build that routing the routing table. So we can do that. Do show IP route. Ta-da! Look at all that. Ready to go. Okay, there it is. Now you can go through and verify all the things are connecting properly. Go ahead and do some ping commands from PC0 to PC3 and so forth and so on. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the section below. Please subscribe. Coming out with new videos almost weekly, at least, and they are for your benefit. But as I've said before, and I will say many times in the future, don't use these to cheat with. I want you to learn the material. I don't want you to just let me do your work for you. But we want to learn so that we can do really well when we're out in the field someday. All right, guys, peace.